Today we are installing this Vevor single post handrail. Comes in very handy, very easy to install. Basically we're going to pre-drill 4 holes, insert the expansion bolts and tighten them up. This job you're only going to need 3 things: 3/16 and a 3/8 masonry bit and a 14mm wrench. First off, set the post where you want it, and then we're going to mark the holes. I'm going to mark them 1, 2, 3 and 4. As you can see, I've pre-drilled the 4 holes with 3/16 inch bit. Now I'm going to finish them up with a 3/8 inch bit, which is the same size as these expansion bolts. So this is how the bolts work. You push the bolt into the hole, and as you wrench on the nut, this small wedge will go up the threads and spread this apart, creating the compression. So I put the handrail, lined it up, popped the bolts in. Now I'm just going to gently tap this guy in. I'm going to do that for all 4, and then I'm going to snug them up with my 14mm wrench. Final thing to do, tighten them up with a 14mm wrench. You don't have to wrench too hard. You'll find it start to snug up. And get harder and harder as the bolt is compressing. There. And there you go. As you can see, this is the finished product. Nice and sturdy. 4 nice and tidy. If you like what you see, like and subscribe below. If you've got any comments, love to hear them. Thanks for watching, guys.